Hello everyone. The promise of restoration lives within us. As we are observing the World Environment Day, let's get inspired by the powerful words of Jordan Sinji. Have you ever seen time fly? Watch it slip through your fingers like a cloud passing by. Too slow to notice it leaving, too fast to make it stop. All we have known is to destroy, like it's breathing. The pitter patter of raindrops match the sound of clocks. Counting down, tick, tick. How lucky we are to live. We are a fraction of a second in the Earth's lifetime. Yet, she's our only lifeline. Resilient, we stand on our own 2 feet. I will tell you, reimagining the future has never tasted so sweet. Like nectar to a bee, honey to a home. No one can do this alone. The promise of restoration lives within us. We see her in the hues of the youth. And she's asking you, what will you stand for? And now is our time for our regeneration.